everyone, this is Jag. Well, in this video I'm going to share 15 vegetable plants that you can direct seed into your garden, save some effort and get your garden going. So let's get started.
Number 1, peas. Peas love cool weather and young pea plants can even tolerate frost. Plant peas 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. Plant seeds 1 inch deep. Plant spacing should be 2 to 3 inches apart and row spacing 24 inches apart. Make sure to use trellis when growing peas as they love to climb, and you can begin harvesting peas in 2 months.
Number 2, okra. Now, okra is very easy to grow from seed and it does not like being transplanted. You can always direct seed okra right in your garden after the weather warms up. When the air temperature becomes above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, you can start sowing seeds of okra in the ground and okra will germinate and it will grow tall and beautiful. I made a separate video on tips on how to grow okra, so check that out as well if you're interested.
Number 3, corn. Corn is really easy to grow from seed. You can direct seed corn right into your garden after all the danger of frost is gone and the nighttime temperature is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The seed depth should be 1 inch, plant spacing should be 12 inches apart and row spacing 24 inches apart. Corn takes 10 to 14 days to germinate, but after that, corn starts to grow very quickly. Plant corn densely because corn is pollinated by the wind, so the minimum area you should plant corn in is 4 feet by 4 feet. In about 3 to 4 months, the corn is ready to harvest.
Number 4, green beans. Now green beans take about 2 months before producing, so plant green beans at least 2 to 3 months before the first frost. This could be in August or September depending on your zone. Keep in mind that green beans planted in fall are a little slow growing than green beans planted in spring. When starting green beans, plant the seeds 1 inch deep. Plant spacing should be 3 inches and row spacing 24 inches apart. While bush beans grow on their own, pole beans require a trellis or some sort of a support structure. You can start harvesting green beans just 2 months after planting. Number 5, cilantro. Cilantro loves weather below 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So as soon as the weather cools in summer and the temperature starts to dip below 80 degrees Fahrenheit, you can start planting cilantro, and you can start harvesting cilantro just 1 month after planting. Plant cilantro seeds 1/4 inch deep, plant spacing should be 6 inches apart and row spacing 12 inches apart. Cilantro is one of those plants that does not like to be transplanted because it develops a taproot. So if you do want to transplant cilantro, you can use the rain gutter idea. You can also grow cilantro in containers or pots as well.
Next, you can plant root vegetables in spring as well directly in your garden. The root vegetables that grow well in spring are number 6, radish, number 7, carrot, number 8, beets, and number 9, turnips. These vegetables can be grown in fall and spring. To grow root vegetables in spring, sow seeds 2 weeks before the last frost. Plant seeds of all root vegetables 1/4 inch deep. Plant spacing should be 3 to 4 inches apart. Carrots can be planted a little closer at 2 to 3 inches apart. Row spacing for all root vegetables should be 12 to 18 inches apart. Radish are ready to harvest in 1 month. Turnips take 2 months and both carrots and beets take 3 months to harvest.
Number 10, cucumber. Now, cucumber is another vegetable plant that is very easy to grow as well.
Direct seed cucumber right into your garden after all the danger of frost is over in spring and the minimum temperature at night is above 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Seeds should be 1 inch deep, plant spacing should be 24 inches apart and row spacing anywhere from 3 to 4 feet apart because cucumbers are vines and they can get huge.
Number 11, spinach. Spinach can be grown in fall and spring. To grow spinach in spring, plant spinach 6 weeks before the last frost date. Plant spinach seeds 1/4 inch deep. Plant spacing and row spacing should be 12 inches apart. Harvest spinach as soon as it is big enough to eat, which is usually 30 to 45 days after planting.
Number 12, squash and pumpkins. Now this includes zucchini, crookness squash, sugar pie pumpkins, butternut squash. I've just included all the squashes and pumpkins into one category. Plant squash and pumpkin seeds directly into your garden in spring after all the danger of frost is over and nighttime temperature is above 45 degrees Fahrenheit. The seed should be planted 1 inch deep, plant spacing should be 24 to 36 inches apart and row spacing 4 to 6 feet apart. Squash and pumpkin plants can grow huge, so make sure you have adequate area in between the plants to accommodate the growth. Pumpkins will take up to 3 to 4 months to harvest. However, squash will start producing in just 2 months, so you can start having zucchini and yellow squash just 2 months after planting.
Number 13, Swiss chard. Swiss chard also makes a really good fall vegetable. You can start growing Swiss chard about 2 to 3 months before the first frost, which is usually August or September depending on your zone. Seed depth should be 1/2 inch deep, Plant spacing 12 inches apart and row spacing anywhere from 18 to 24 inches apart. Just like kale, you can start harvesting Swiss chard leaves as soon as the plant has about 6 to 7 sets of leaves, leaving at least 3 to 4 sets of leaves. If you want smaller baby Swiss chard leaves, you can start harvesting leaves about 30 days after planting. If you want bigger and mature leaves, you can start harvesting leaves 45 to 60 days after planting. Number 14, mustard. Mustard is really good to saute along with spinach. You can start growing mustard in fall at least 2 to 4 months before the first frost, which is anywhere from August to October. Plant mustard seeds half an inch deep. Plant spacing should be 3 inches apart and row spacing 9 inches apart. This will yield the maximum harvest. As the mustard plants are growing, top off the flowers to encourage the plant to grow more leaves. You can start harvesting mustard leaves in about 1.5 to 2 months after planting. When harvesting mustard, you don't have to get rid of the mustard flowers since mustard flowers are also edible. Number 15, fenugreek. You can buy fenugreek seeds from online store or even a spice store. Before planting, first soak the seeds in water for 2 hours. Plant the seeds half inch deep. Plant spacing can be anywhere from 1 to 3 inches apart and row spacing 12 inches apart. After 2 months, the whole bed starts to fill in and you can start harvesting fenugreek at this time. Fenugreek will keep coming back and keep producing a lot more leaves until the frost hits.
Now these additional plants are not grown from a seed, but from a part of the plant or from a tuber. So I thought I should include these in this video. And these include potatoes, garlic, and ginger.
Plant the whole potato 1 inch below the soil level. Plant spacing and row spacing should be 12 to 18 inches apart. Harvest potatoes after 3 months and you will get a lot of potatoes. You can buy seed garlic or you can use organic garlic bought from grocery stores. Do not buy conventional garlic to grow because conventional garlic is usually sprayed with growth suppressant chemicals. To start your garlic plants, use bigger garlic cloves.
To figure out the depth and spacing, all you need is a thumb and a hand. The garlic should be planted about a thumb's length deep and a hand's length apart.
This basically corresponds to planting garlic cloves at least 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart. And row spacing should also be 6 inches apart. I made a video on complete guide to grow garlic, so check that video out if you're interested. You can also plant garlic in containers as well. As soon as the leaves begin to die back, garlic is ready for harvest. Garlic is ready to harvest in about 8 to 9 months. Get a fat piece of ginger. The piece of ginger should be at least 2 inches long and 2 inches wide. You don't have to worry about finding the eyes on ginger like you do on potatoes. You can plant ginger in any way and it will grow. Break the ginger apart into desired pieces for optimal planting. Prepare a loose composition of soil. Plant ginger about 1 inch deep. You don't want to plant ginger right on the surface or way too deep. After 2 weeks, the shoots of ginger pop out of the soil and start to grow. At this point, start watering heavily. After a month, the ginger plant is about 6 inches tall and has distinct leaves. Ginger likes a lot of water, so make sure the soil remains moist and does not dry out. After 6 months, the third shoot has come up and the plant is about 2.5 feet tall.
In 8 to 9 months, ginger is ready to harvest.
Now, some of the plants that are not suitable for direct seeding include tomatoes, eggplant, chilies, and kale because they have a long growing period before they can be harvested. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can use all of these vegetables to direct seed into your garden, and I'll see you in another video.